Since you are here, my assumption is that you have watched the first two parts of this tutorial series, okay? So let us read the instructions for step number 4 and begin to implement what it says we should do, okay? So let's go back to the instructions file. We have done everything under instruction number 3. Let's highlight that. Okay, no, I was just removing the highlight. Okay, let's highlight that. Okay, so let's read the instructions for step number 4. It tells us that we need to change the title font size to 50 and the title line spacing to 1.0. Okay, let's highlight this before we attempt to implement it. Okay, we need to change the font size of the title to 50 and spacing to 1.0. Let's go to our document. As you all know, we're only working with this document that has our name as the file name. Okay, so we highlight the title. So this is the title. They told us that we need to change this to 50. Okay, change it to 50, and then you change the line spacing to 1.0. Okay, after doing this, we need to go back to the instructions and find out what we are supposed to do next. Okay, they say that we need to center the title. Okay, let's just do that. We need to center this. To center the title, you need to come here, okay, under this paragraph tab and look for center. Hover your mouse or whatever you're using on this, and then you'll see when it tells you that it's center, you just click on center. Okay, now we have centered the title. Then we need to go back to the instructions file. Okay, highlight this. We have already done this. Okay, and then what are we supposed to do next? From the text effects, okay, and typography gallery, in the first row, apply the second effect to the title. So, okay, we need to apply some effects on the title. So we need to go to the title, highlight the title. That's the first thing you need to do, and then you hover your mouse over these icons here or over these things here, and then you wait until you get something that tells you that, oh, this is text effects and typography. That is exactly what the instruction says we need to use. Then click on this drop down menu. It tells us that, okay, you've got options. So this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. The instruction say that in the first row, apply the second effect. So this is the first row, we need this second effect here. Click on it, and then you'll see this will change. Okay, then after doing this, let's go back to the instructions file and see if there is anything left to do. Okay, so after we've done this, we are done with step number 4. Okay, so we're done with step number 4. Please watch the next video where we'll be discussing step number 5.